we're going to talk about
yeah,
something
I'm
really
fine.
cool.
Help, but notice
Just
you
a
didn't
bit
switch
nervous,
to
I
Airplane mode on your
guess.
phone.
airplane mode.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking.
Good afternoon, madam. Is everything all right? You seem a bit uneasy.
Oh, hello. Yeah, I'm fine. Just a bit nervous, I guess. This is my first time flying alone.
No need to worry. It can feel strange to fly alone, but we're here to make sure your trip is nice and easy. Is there anything specific that's bothering you?
Well, I'm not really sure what to expect during the flight. I've heard stories about the plane shaking and stuff.
I get that. Shaking or turbulence happens sometimes, but it's normal. It's like when a car goes over a bumpy road. Our pilots know exactly what to do, and our planes are built strong to handle it.
That makes me feel better. Thank you. But what about airplane mode on my phone? Do I need to turn it on during the flight?
Yes. Airplane mode is an important safety measure. It helps reduce interference with the plane's communication and navigation systems. You'll need to use airplane mode or turn off your gadgets when we take off and land.
Oh, I see. So, it's not just about my phone signal, but also about the overall safety of the flight?
Exactly, madam. It's a safety measure to ensure a smooth and safe trip for everyone on board. Don't worry, we'll remind you when to switch to airplane mode during the flight.
All right, I'll be sure to do that. What about Bluetooth? Can I use Bluetooth headphones during the flight?
Yes, you can use Bluetooth headphones during the flight. Just make sure your device is in airplane mode. You can turn on Bluetooth separately even in airplane mode. It's perfect for listening to music or watching movies without disturbing others.
Great. And can I connect to the plane's Wi-Fi while in airplane mode?
Absolutely. After you put your device in airplane mode, you can turn on Wi-Fi and connect to the plane's Wi-Fi. We'll tell you how to do this once we're flying. This lets you go online, check emails, or watch shows.
That's awesome. Thank you for explaining.
You're welcome. Now about food. Do you have any special diet needs or want something specific?
I'll have the chicken, please. And a glass of water to start.
Sure. I've noted that down. And if you need anything else, like a snack, a blanket, or help with anything, just ask. We're here to make your flight enjoyable.
Thank you so much. I'm feeling better already knowing you're here to help.
Happy to hear that. Just relax and enjoy your flight. If you have any questions or need anything, just press the call button. I have to check on other passengers now, but I'll come back to see how you're doing in a bit.
Today, we're going to talk about something really cool. The airplane mode on your phone.
What's airplane mode?
Airplane mode is like a magic button on your phone. When you press it, your phone takes a little nap from talking to other phones and the internet. It's very important to use it when we're flying up high in the sky on an airplane.
Why do we have to do that?
Well, because your phone is very powerful. When it's awake, it talks to towers on the ground by sending out special invisible waves. The invisible waves from your phone are super strong. If you had magic eyes that could see these waves, your phone would look like a star, even from very, very far away, like from another planet. Isn't that amazing?
Wow, that's really cool.
But if every phone on the plane starts talking at the same time, it's too much noise for the plane's important tools, and they might get mixed up. We need those tools to listen carefully, so we can fly safe.
So, it's like being quiet in class?
Exactly. Just like we're quiet in class so everyone can learn without getting mixed up, we put our phones on airplane mode so the plane can listen to its important gadgets without getting mixed up.
What about space? You mentioned stars.
Oh, yes! Those invisible waves from our phones can also make it hard for scientists to listen to space and learn about stars and planets. It's like trying to hear a whisper when everyone is shouting. If we're not careful, even people on the ground and the scientists trying to learn about space can have a hard time because of too much noise.
So, airplane mode helps everyone, even astronauts?
You got it! Using airplane mode helps keep us safe on the plane and helps scientists explore space without all the noise. It's like being a superhero for the plane and the stars with just a push of a button.
Wow, I'll always remember to use airplane mode. I can be a superhero.
That's the spirit! You're helping in a big way with a small action.
Excuse me, I couldn't help but notice you didn't switch your phone to airplane mode.
Oh, hi. Yeah, I think it's not important. Just a rule, right?
Actually, it's quite important. I work in telecommunications, and I can explain why if you'd like.
Sure, I'm curious. Why does it matter?
Well, your phone sends out signals, like invisible lines connecting to cell towers. When we're in the air, those signals can get really strong.
Strong? How come?
Because your phone tries harder to find a signal. It's like shouting when you're far away. On the ground, it's okay. But up here, it's too loud for the towers.
Loud? But it's just a phone.
Think of it like this: if everyone's phone shouts at once, it creates a big noise. This noise can mess with signals on the ground, making it hard for other phones to talk to towers.
Oh, I didn't know phones could do that.
Yes, and there's more. Airplane mode helps save your battery too. Since your phone isn't searching for a signal, it doesn't work as hard.
That makes sense. But does it really affect the plane?
Not the plane, but it's about being considerate to everyone below us. Like not making a call in a quiet library. Plus, too many signals at once could even make it hard for scientists to explore space with their special telescopes.
Space? Really?
Yes, really. Our phones can interfere with important work, like studying stars and galaxies. It's all about the invisible waves our phones use.
Wow, I had no idea my phone was that powerful. I guess I'll switch to airplane mode now. Thanks for explaining it to me.
You're welcome. It's always good to know how our little gadgets can have a big impact. Enjoy your flight.
Thanks, I will. And I'll make sure to use airplane mode from now on.